Oga Mourinho and Sarri, una welcome.
Thank you, Komala.
Thank you, my brother. Oh boy, before you start to ask all those your mumu questions, make I ask my brother here something. Mourinho, how market now?
What do you mean?
Come out for here, Joe. No, they do like say you know sabi waiting I dey yarn. No be you be one go Champions League. Your brothers don't leave you.
See, sorry, I no dey ready for your wahala today. Abeg, if you know say na this thing you come do for here, just pack yourself dey go Italy.
See this guy. Now you carry me come. You go pay my TP.
I say make I warn you now, before I go waste person for here.
Abeg my oga dem, na gentlemen all of us be. Make we just calm down. Oga Sarri, the competition for the Champions League spot for EPL dey very hot as I dey talk to you. Which team you feel say go finally qualify?
This question not to momo like that, sha. Well, minus Man City and Liverpool, I feel say na Man United and Chelsea go qualify. Since Man U buy that Bruno Mars, they look like Champions League material. And that other small boy wey they call himself, whether Green something, abi na Green Goblin. That boy no one carry eye say pastor. Whether na left abi na right, the guy sabi cause wahala, and him heartless. And Chelsea on the other hand, at least them get players like Captain America where they try make things happen for front. But you see those two London clubs, Tottenham and Arsenal. If them say Europa, make them do Thanksgiving.
Thunder fire your mouth there. Now you go Europa.
Say person why they try help safe.
Come out for here. No help me anything. I no want your help. I go Champions League by the grace of God.
Grace of God no dey here. Even if them carry grace of Ronaldo and Messi join together give you, you know they go anywhere. Arsenal go finish on top you say.
God forbid.
Why you dey forbid wetin don already happen? Abeg Kobala, continue your questions.
Oga Mourinho.
Oh boy, no talk to me.
Okay sir. Oga Sarri, what do you think about Chelsea new sponsor?
I swear, I no know. That sponsor na witchcraft. First, them collect 3 goals, lose 3 points, come miss the chance to go third possession. Now, them win 3 knots, come grab 3 points. I swear, that sponsor dead somehow. If I be Abramovich, I go just burn that jersey. Hello, Ororo? You know since I dey live for TV, why you go to disturb me by this time?
Kochi na the bala.
What do you mean?
The guy just dey yarn nonsense for here. I tell the guy make him do sit-up. The guy dey tell me say I no be him boss. Say no be war we dey go.
How many sit-ups you tell am make him do?
10,000.
Na what for you? Na Thanos Mbe, left that small boy jaw. Na Indomie in the chop.
But Kochi na 100,000 sit-ups I dey do.
You no be human being na. Thanos be your brother. Person once tell me say them no dey compare lions and human beings. So abeg just calm down. No kill am.